Good day everyone, I am Dr. Shielilo, Amihan, the Campus Director of the University of the East here in the Philippines. I am the Conference Chair of the second International Conference on Converging Disciplines in Arts, Linguistics, Education, Social Sciences, and Humanities, which is also known as ICDALESH of 2026. It is my great pleasure to invite you all to this international platform that brings together researchers, academicians, educators, students, and industry professionals to share innovative ideas, research findings, the best practices across diverse disciplines. This conference aims to foster interdisciplinary collaboration, meaningful dialogue, and advancement of knowledge that addresses today's global challenges. As the conference chair, I warmly encourage everyone to be part of this very exciting academic gathering by presenting your research, engaging with experts from across the world, and expanding your professional network. We look forward to welcoming you here at ICDALESH of 2026. Let us inspire innovation, strengthen collaboration, and shape a better future through research and education. Great day once again to everyone.